Hello, I'm Ctrl J. This is a quick video to show how to separate joint objects in Blender. After starting Blender, we can add objects. I will add two objects. I add the cube first and then add the monkey Susan. I will move upwards and move monkey Susan to 1.5 meters and rotate to negative 35 degrees. Close up to it. And then we can change the color to see the objects. We can go to viewport shading and then go to objects color and choose random color. So we have two objects with two colors. Now I make a multiple selection and then press Ctrl J to join them together. Now we have one object in one color. Now if we want to separate the objects, we can select the objects and go to Edit Mode. There are two options. The first option, we can make a face selection and select one of the face of the cube, and then go to Select and choose Select Link, and select all the faces of the cube, and then go to Merge and use Separate by Selection. So we have two objects with two colors. This is the first option. I press Ctrl Z to undo it to become one object. The second option, we can press A to select all the faces and then go to Merge and use Separate by Loose Path. So we separate into four objects. I go to Object Mode, I select Monkey Susan, eyes and the head, and we have the cube here. So if we join them together, we can join Monkey Susan by Ctrl J. So this is how we can separate joint objects in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ctrl J. See you in the next video.